Hey guys, welcome back to my video tutorial. In this today's video, I am going to tell you what is lead form extension and how to create lead form extension in Google Ads. So first we will understand what is lead form extension. So lead form extension helps the advertisers to collect leads directly from their search campaign ads. Okay, so advertisers can add a form to the search campaign ads to generate more number of leads for their search campaigns. So we will see how to create this lead form extension and how it looks like in Google Ads search campaigns. So this is one of my account. This is one of my campaign. So this is the search campaign. Click on this campaign to create lead form extension. Click on this campaign. You have to go to this ads and extensions tab on the left side. Just click on this ads and extension. So click on this extensions. So these are all the extensions that I have created for my campaign. So I have created site link extensions, call extension I have created, call out extensions, structure snippet extensions I have created, and promotion extensions I have created for my campaign. So now I want to create a lead form extension for my campaign. So it will help me to collect leads directly from this search ads. So instead of taking your users to the website or a landing page, by adding this form you can collect leads directly from the ads. So this is what is a lead form extension. So this will help us to increase or generate more number of leads. So we know if sometimes our landing page is not performing well, so this is the best option for the business. So I am just clicking on this plus extension to create a lead form extension. So click on this plus. So here you can see all the extensions that Google is providing to this advertiser. So you can see site link extension, call out extension, structure snippet extension, call extension, lead form extension, location extension, affiliate location, price extension, app extension, and promotion extensions. So now we are going to go with this lead form extension. Just click on this lead form extension. This lead form extension is currently in a beta version, so this might be or might not be available for all the advertisers. So I am clicking on this lead form extension. So once you click on this lead form extension, it looks like this. So this is my search ad. Okay, so these are SEO course, SMM course, Google Ads course, and contact us. These four are the site link extensions, and below the site link extensions you can see a phone number. So this we call extension. Below the call extensions you see learn more extension text. So this is something lead form extension. So this works as an extension. So you go with the create new extension if you do not have any existing lead form extensions, or you can use the existing one if you have already created a lead form extension. But as of now I did not create any kind of extensions before, so I am going with it create a new one. Or you can click on this use existing and you can choose from this existing lead form extensions if you have already created. No, I just go with this create new, and here it is asking you to add this extension at a campaign level. Yes, I want to add this extension at my campaign level. So this is the create your extension first form. No, I want to change this call to action from, now it is learn more. What is the call to action here? Learn more. So I want to change this from learn more to contact us. Now this has been changed. Now it is asking you to give the extension text. The maximum character limit for this extension text is 30 characters. So I want to write something like save up to 50% now. So this is my extension text. So the moment any user click on this contact us or save up to 50% text, they will be coming to this form. this is the form they will be landing on once they click on this lead form extension. So here you can grab their contact details, like you can ask for their name, phone number, email ID and postcode. So before that it is asking you to give your headline, business name and description. See the headline, business name and description. My headline is something learn digital marketing. This is my headline. My business name is DigiWisdom. This is my business name. Description something learn advanced digital marketing course at 10,000 with certification. So this is the description I want to add here. So once you add your description, headline and business name, you just scroll down. Okay, here you can choose from name, phone number, email ID and postal code. I want to get their name, phone number, email ID. I do not want to get postcode. If you want to get their postcode, you can simply select this as well. If you want to get their first name and last name, you can go with this first option, or if you want to ask their only full name, you can go with the second option. You see the form will look like this to the user the moment they click on this extension. So they can see my business name, they can see my headline, they can also see my description. So they will fill out their full name, email ID and phone number. So once they fill out their details and the moment they submit, they will be going to this submission message form. So I'll tell you how to go there. Before that we have to give our privacy policy URL. So this is my page digiwisdom.in, and below this you will find a privacy policy page. So just copy this URL, paste it over here. This is my privacy policy URL. So now see, if you want to add any background image to this form, you can add as well. Just click plus image, choose files to upload, and this is the image that I want to upload. Yes, it's selected. Click on save. Now you see this image has been added. Okay, so now it looks bit good and attractive. So once we are done with this privacy policy page URL and background image, you create a text for your thank you page. This is the page where users are coming after they are giving their contact details. So for example, I want to write something like thanks for contacting us. This is my headline. Maximum character length is 25 characters. Description up to 200 characters we can write. Something like we have received your contact details. We will get back to you soon. So this is my description. See, thanks for contacting us. We have received your contact details and we will get back to you soon. So this is what they see after they click on the submit button. So after this you can give an option for your users to visit your website. See, this is my call to action. View, visit website. You have to give your website URL here. This is my website digiwisdom.in. Just copy this URL, paste it over here. This is the call to action URL. So once they click on this visit website, they will be going to this page digiwisdom.in home page, and this is how we create a lead form extension. So this is the thank you page for them. Before this thank you page, they will be coming to this page and they will have to fill in all the contact details like their phone number, email ID and full name. So in order to come to this page, they have to click on this contact us, save up to 50% now. So this is what we call lead form extension. So along with this site link extensions and call extensions, Google is showing your lead form extension as an extension. So once they see your ad, they click here, they will be going to the landing page or a website. But if they click on this lead form extension only, they will be going to this lead form. So here they have to fill all the details: full name, email ID, phone number. They have to click on this submit. So once they click on this submit, they will be coming to this page. So this is how you can improve your sales or improve your leads for your business. Instead taking your users to the website, you can collect leads directly from this ads. So this is all about lead form extensions. So hope you like this video. If you want to get more and more updated videos, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel. Thank you.